10. 300 km per hour, Italy, Trenitalia Frecciarossa 1000. The Frecciarossa, or ETR 1000, was jointly developed by Hitachi Rail Italy and Alstom for Italian state railway operator Trenitalia. Additionally, operating in Spain is the Frecciarossa, popularly known as the Red Arrow. 20 S109 trainsets, which are adapted from the ETR 1000, are used by the private high-speed rail operator Ireo. The ETR 1000 trainsets, which were reportedly created in answer to Italo, a private high-speed rail operator in Italy, transport 457 passengers in 8-car, non-articulated trains that are 200 meters long and have an engineered top speed of 400 kilometers per hour. Although the trains may achieve 300 kilometers per hour when in use, one ETR 1000 set surpassed 389 kilometers per hour when being tested in 2015. There were 50 train sets constructed, but one is now not in service due to the Livraga derailment. On the 6th of February 2020, an ETR 1000 operating the first service of the day was involved in a high-speed derailment at Livraga, on the Milan-Bologna high-speed line. The incident caused the death of the 2 train drivers and the injury of 31 people. It is the only railway accident to date on the Italian high-speed rail network. 9. Korail KTX Sanchin, 305 km per hour, Korea. South Korea's national railway operator, Korail, runs the country's high-speed rail service. Korea Train Express, more commonly known as KTX, began operation in 2004. The network initially used rolling stock based that was partly built in Korea, based on Alstom's TGV Réseau. Since then, the rolling stock on the line has shifted to fully domestically produced models, currently using the KTX Sanchin built by Hyundai Rotem. The KTX Sanchin is named after the Korean name of the indigenous fish cherry salmon. It has a top operational speed of 305 km per hour and is the first high-speed train designed and developed in South Korea. 71 train sets, which can accelerate from 0 to 300 km per hour in 316 seconds, currently carry up to 363 passengers each on the South Korean high-speed rail network. The new generation Hemu 430X prototype reached 421.4 km per hour in 2013, beating the previous Korean rail speed record of 352.4 km per hour set by a KTX Sanchin HSR 350X train. This means that South Korea is one of only 4 countries in the world to develop a train capable of running at over 420 km per hour, along with France, Japan and China. Hyundai Rotem is currently manufacturing 16 sets of the latest commercial electrical multiple unit model of the Hemu 430X, the EMU 320, expected to enter into service by the end of this year. In contrast to 316 seconds for the KTX Sanchin, the EMU 320 can accelerate from 0 to 300 km per hour in 230 seconds and has a planned operation speed of 320 km per hour. A Renfe Avenue train at Barcelona Sants railway station in Barcelona, Spain. 8. Renfe Avenue 103, 310 km per hour, Spain. The Renfe Class 103 is a high-speed train that Spanish state-run operator Renfe uses for its Avenue high-speed service. The trains, also known as Series 103 or S103, are manufactured by Siemens as part of the Valero family. Spanish high-speed rail began operation in 1992 when the first line was opened, connecting the cities of Madrid, Córdoba and Seville. Since then, the network has spread to connect the country's major cities, as well as international connections. It has also opened up to open-access operators, creating an incredibly competitive high-speed rail market. 26 train sets run on the 621 km Barcelona-Madrid high-speed railway, carrying up to 404 passengers at speeds up to 310 km per hour. In 2006, an S103 achieved a record top speed of 403.7 km per hour, a Spanish record speed for rail vehicles. Interestingly, the 8-car configuration that Renfe operates is actually 2 identical half-trains of 4 coaches. Each section has an independent power system, apart from the active pantograph and a high-voltage line that runs along the length of the entire train. The end coaches are split between the driver's cab and passenger seating, with glass screens separating the two. This allows passengers the same views as the driver, but the driver can turn these opaque if preferred. An Al Borak high-speed train at Casablanca Casa Voyageurs railway station, Morocco. 7. Ankef Al Borak, 320 km per hour, Morocco. The trains running on Africa's first high-speed railway, Al Borak in Morocco, come in at number 7 on our list. The line, operated by Moroccan national operator Office National des Chemins de Fer du Maroc, ONCF, runs between Casablanca and Tangier. Al Borak is comprised of two sections: a newly built dedicated high-speed line from Tangier to Kenitra and an upgraded existing line from Kenitra to Casablanca. 12 Alstom Avelia Euroduplex, otherwise known as TGV-2N2F. Trainsets run at speeds as high as 320 km per hour on the 323 km dedicated high-speed track. Notably for a high-speed model, Euroduplex trains on the Al Borak line are bi-level, double-decker, with a passenger capacity of 533. The train sets are composed of 2 power cars and 8 passenger cars. The $2 billion project cut journey times between Casablanca and Rabat in half, from almost 5 hours to just over 2 hours. During pre-service testing on the Al Borak line, trains hit a peak of 357 meters per hour, over twice the speed of the next fastest trains currently running in Africa. A green E5 series, L, and a white E2 series Shinkansen train, R, on the Tohoku Shinkansen line at Tokyo Station. 6. Junior Shinkansen, 320 km per hour, Japan. Recognized the world over, the Shinkansen, colloquially known as the bullet train, is a Japanese star. But surprisingly, the original high-speed train doesn't break into the top 5. Japan was the first country to develop a dedicated high-speed railway network, initially built to connect distant Japanese regions with the capital, Tokyo. Launching as the 515 km Tokyo-Nagoya-Osaka-Tokaido Shinkansen line in 1964. The network currently spans almost 3,000 kilometers of track. The first Shinkansen trains to enter service in 1964, now classed as the Zero series, had a maximum operating speed was 220 km per hour. The current E5 and H5 series, built by Hitachi Rail and Kawasaki Heavy Industries, hit a top operating speed of 320 km per hour. The E5 series runs on Tohoku Shinkansen and Hokkaido Shinkansen services, and the H5 is a cold-weather derivative of the E5 series that runs on the same lines. H5 units include several cold-weather features, including an upgraded snowplow, more durable rubber protection on the connections between cars and a stainless steel underframe that protects the electronics from the elements. Outside of everyday operation, the top speed a Shinkansen has recorded is 443 km per hour. Recorded by the experimental class 955 inches 300X, Tokaido Shinkansen during tests in 1996. Junior Central is developing an experimental maglev Shinkansen, the L0 series. Manufactured by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries and Junior Central subsidiary Nippon Sharyo, the trains use the Japanese SC maglev system. Junior Central plans to use the L0 series on the passenger services launching in 2027 on the Chuo Shinkansen railway line between Tokyo and Osaka. These trains are expected to operate at 500 km per hour but have hit a top speed during testing of a whopping 603 km per hour. A TGV Atlantique, L, and a TGV Duplex, R, at Gare de Lyon railway station in Paris, France. 5. Scansef TGV, 320 km per hour, France. The train à grande vitesse, or TGV, is iconic. Initially running on Europe's first high-speed railway in France, the pioneer of high-speed rail in Europe has broken records for top speeds, repeatedly, since its inception. In 1981, TGV Sud Est train set number 16 set a record speed of 380 km per hour. Just shy of a decade later in 1990, a modified TGV Atlantique 325 train recorded a new record speed of 515.3 km per hour. This record was smashed in 2007, when a modified TGV PAS, fitted with 2 powered bogies similar to the AGV prototype, hit 574.8 kHh, the current world record. Manufactured by Alstom and operated by French operator SNCF in the main. In everyday operation, the TGV Duplex, Réseau, PAS and Euroduplex models run at a top track speed of 320 km per hour in France. The newest model of TGV, TGV-M, was unveiled in 2021. In July 2018, SNCF placed a €2.7 billion order for 100 TGV-M trainsets, then referred to as the Avelia Horizon. With a proposed maximum capability of 350 km per hour, the TGV-M is expected to enter service with SNCF in 2024. A Deutsche Bahn ICE 3 high-speed train on the Geislinger Steige near Amstetten, Germany. 4. DB ICE, 350 km per hour, Germany. The ICE 3, or Intercity Express 3, is a family of high-speed electric multiple-unit trains manufactured by Siemens and Bombardier. The ICE 3 is operated mainly by Deutsche Bahn, DB, but also by Dutch railway operator Nederlandse Spoorwegen, NS. The flagship of high-speed rail in Germany, the family includes classes 403, 406, 407 and 408, which are known as ICE 3, ICE 3M, New ICE 3 and ICE 3 Neo respectively. 3 multi-system trains, known as ICE International, are in use in the Netherlands. ICE 3 trainsets also operate on cross-border routes to the Netherlands, Belgium and France. ICE 3 trains operate at the national maximum high-speed railway's track speed of 320 km per hour in Germany, but have pipped their competition in this list due to the fact that the Class 403 is authorized to run at speeds of 330 km per hour on the high-speed line between Frankfurt and Cologne to overcome delays. The ICE 3 classes 403 and 406 hit top speeds of 368 km per hour on trial runs. The ICE 3MF was the inspiration for Siemens Velero trainsets, which are used in Germany, Belgium, France, the UK, the Netherlands, Spain, China, Russia and Turkey. Egyptian National Railways has also ordered 41 8-car ICE trainsets. A Fuxing high-speed train at Tianjin Railway Station in Tianjin, China. 3. CR Fuxing, 350 km per hour, China. The China Railway, CR, Fuxing, also known as the CR Series EMU, is a series of high-speed trains. Developed by China Railway Corporation, Fuxing trains operate at 350 km per hour but have been run as high as 420 km per hour in tests. The Fuxing models are the first completely domestically produced high-speed models in China, without any proprietary or licensed technology from external rolling stock manufacturers. An 8-car Fuxing set is 209 meters long, 3.36 meters wide and 4.06 meters high and can carry over 500 passengers. Perhaps best known for their use on the Beijing-Shanghai high-speed railway, which carries passengers between the two cities in just shy of 5 hours. Fuxing sets are also used on 7 other lines in China. In fact, the new high-speed connection to Tibet uses a modified Fuxing model designed to operate at high altitudes. The Fuxing CR400AF will be the first model to operate abroad, with 11 trainsets ordered for the Jakarta-Bandung high-speed railway in Indonesia, due to start running this year. A CR Hexi, Harmony, train at the Hohhot East Railway Station in Hohhot, China. CR Harmony, 350 km per hour, China. The China Railway, CR Hexi, also known as the Harmony, is an umbrella term for the CRH series EMU high-speed trains. Although they operate at the same speed as the Fuxing trains, with a top operating speed of 350 km per hour, we have them in second place due to their higher record speeds in testing. The CR Harmony was originally built using existing technology from global rolling stock manufacturers, with CR aiming to eventually build up its own knowledge of the technology. This plan came to fruition with the domestic development of the CR Fuxing trains. The CRH380B is based on the Siemens Velero family of high-speed trains and has been in service on the Shanghai-Hangzhou High-Speed Railway and Shanghai-Nanjing High-Speed Railway since 2011. The CRH380A has the second highest recorded speed of the Harmony trains, clocking 486.1 km per hour during a test run in 2010. Controversially, although it was not produced under a technology transfer agreement, there are accusations that the CRH-380A is based on unlicensed Japanese Shinkansen technology. Another notable Harmony model is the CRH-380D, derived from the Bombardier Zefiro 380. With a record test speed of 483 km per hour, the highest speed ever recorded by a conventional unmodified high-speed train, there are 85 trainsets currently in operation in China, split across the Shanghai Railway and Chengdu Railway. The Shanghai Maglev train is the fastest passenger train in operation in the world, for now. Shanghai Maglev, 460 km per hour, China. The Shanghai Maglev, also known as the Shanghai Transrapid, tops the list with its maximum operating speed of 460 km per hour and average speed of 251 km per hour. It has a record high speed of a staggering 501 km per hour. The maglev train isn't a conventional high-speed model. Instead, it utilizes electromagnetic force to levitate above the track, eliminating friction and allowing for incredibly smooth and quiet travel. The Shanghai Maglev Transportation Development Company owns and operates the Shanghai Maglev. Siemens and German multinational ThyssenKrupp constructed the train as a joint venture. The service started commercial operations in April 2004 and runs on the 30.5 km Shanghai Maglev line. This is the first commercially operated high-speed magnetic levitation line, running from Longyang Road Station in Shanghai, China to Shanghai Pudong International Airport. The route is the first commercially operated high-speed magnetic levitation line. The maglev train can cover the approximately 19-mile distance in just under 8 minutes, still making it an incredibly efficient connection to the airport, despite the fact that it doesn't terminate in the city center.